You know what I mean? Oh, I'm sure. I don't doubt that for a second. What's that? Right. I guess, but it would still be difficult. I feel like some decisions you'd have to make you wouldn't be able to if you were just learned, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like you can make decisions, put your feelings aside and make decisions that you need to make for the business,